Hey guys, first impressions about this place, it's mind-blowing, phenomenal. They always put my middle name in all these places, it's crazy. Let's go down there. So guys, I've been wanting to come to this park for many years. You can probably see a lot of pictures about it on Instagram, or if you Google it. We are at Watkins Glen State Park.
So this is part 2 of our 3-part series as we're visiting 3 different waterfall parks in just one day. If you haven't seen part 1, be sure to check it out as we started this journey visiting the incredible Letchworth State Park, and stay tuned for part 3 as we'll be concluding with the Great Ithaca Falls.
I am super excited because this place, just from pictures, is gorgeous. I can't imagine what we're gonna experience going through this trail and seeing this place for real.
Located in Watkins Glen, New York, in the Finger Lakes region, this state park is a must-visit destination for nature lovers, offering some of the most beautiful landscapes and hiking trails in New York State. It was designated as a state park in 1906, and it is one of the oldest parks in the state, and it's open year-round, but it's most popular during the warmer months when the waterfalls are flowing at their peak. So if you love waterfalls, this is the place to be.
Just from the very entrance, just the beginning, you're like, whoa, this is bigger than life right now. Feels like we're going to some Lord of the Rings realm here. All right, who's ready to walk?
When it comes to hiking, you're in for a treat. Glen Watkins offers several different trails, each with its own unique features. Whether you're looking for an easy stroll or a more challenging hike, there's something for everyone. This park is known for its steep staircase-like trails that take you up to some amazing viewpoints. For those looking for a good workout, prepare yourself for some serious stair climbing.
It is pretty wet on the floor. It is a little muddy, slippery, so definitely need good shoes.
The park is well known for its stunning waterfalls, with over 19 different waterfalls scattered throughout the gorge. You'll get to experience a variety of waterfalls, some big, some small, but all equally beautiful. The trails lead you to hidden gems along the way, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled and don't be afraid to get a little wet.
That was refreshing. I needed that shower. It's been a few days, you know? I'm kidding. Impressions about this place, it's mind-blowing, phenomenal. It's literally just a walk inside this gorge, but it is just breathtaking. It's to be within these stone walls of this mountain. Oh.
One of the most fascinating aspects of this park is its unique geography. The gorge that runs through Watkins Glen was formed over thousands of years by glacial meltwater, carving deep channels into the landscape. As you walk through the park, you'll pass through some narrow gorges and rugged cliffs with sparkling water running beside you. Some of these rock formations are over 400 million years old, making this park not only beautiful, but also rich in history.
Oh, it all started up there.
I know, it's just like,
Way down here.
it's like stacks upon stacks upon stacks of rock. If this mountain played Uno, it would play stacks.
Wow.
This is where the nature spirits go to church. Because it's a cathedral. I come to the forest to disconnect from the world, but to find myself. Why I speak like this, I don't know. Ooh, look. They always put my middle name in all these places. It's crazy. Let's go down there. Well, that's why they call this little area Lover's Lane. It's a little lookout and it's so private, huh? How cute.
So whether you're an avid hiker or just someone who appreciates the beauty of nature, Watkins Glen State Park is a place you don't want to miss. With its dramatic waterfalls, scenic trails, and incredible history, it's truly a hidden gem in upstate New York. Unfortunately, since we were on a mission and had one more major stop before we ended the day, we couldn't enjoy the entirety of the park and had to get going, but we still had an amazing time exploring what we could.
Place is epic.
So I hope you enjoyed this adventure with us. Let us know in the comments if you've ever visited Glen Watkins or any other amazing parks in the area, and be sure to stay tuned for part 3 in Ithaca, New York.
Don't tell me that was on camera.
The whole thing. Like my nephew Javian would say, this is amazing.
This man is so crazy. Look at where he is.